What have you been eating? Your face is orange. You've been in that kitchen on your own again, haven't you? Hey guys, Sunday afternoon. I wasn't going to do a lot today, but got a bit bored, so I thought I'd do a little job and share it. It's nothing special. It could be of use to some of you, I don't know, as sort of a cosmetic thing on some custom bikes. But been a good week again. Thank you to everybody who's come on board and subscribed. Big thank you to anybody who's made a purchase in the merchandise on Teespring. That's much appreciated. And a massive thank you for all the new patrons. That is a huge help and very much appreciated. Anyway, I'm going to do this little job. It's probably completely useless to some of you, but hey, I thought I'd share it. So it involves a bit of brake pipe and a little tool I've made, which is there, and my favourite thing, the hammer. And we'll just do it on a bit of a demonstration piece here that I've just put some random holes in. Anyway, I'll move the camera forward and then we'll do a bit. So I've made this tool. As all my little jigs and things, it's all temporary stuff, so I don't spend a load of time making them, because half the time they end up going in the bin sometimes. Same when we was doing the blacksmithing, you know, you'd make that many different tools and forming jigs and everything. If you didn't sling some of them, they'd just pile up on you. So anyway, this ain't taking no space up, so I'll probably keep this one until it breaks. So we've got this bit has a hole in, and this bit has a pin in. You can probably guess where it's going, and that obviously fits in there. Anyway, I've cut these little short pieces of brake pipe, as you can see that. They're, what are they, like 10 mil long or something like that, but you cut them to suit whatever material you're going to put them through. I've put this one through. It's sort of half and half, if you can see that. It's sort of wedged in there. It's not ridiculously tight, just enough to hold it. I'll put this pin through here. Locate that onto there. Stop fumbling around, fat boy. Let's put that under there just to support it. Really simple, and then just carefully there we go. That's about right. I've got this nut on there because the pin does go fairly tight in there, so it's just to help get that out basically. What's up here? There we go. So there we go, it's like a little rivet. This is two really thin sheets that I've put together. You can actually use it as a rivet, like to hold your two pieces together, but I'd recommend not doing it on anything that's really structural. You know, don't be doing it on brackets that are holding your brake calipers on or anything like that. That'd be just a stupid idea. You can put it on a single piece of plate just for decoration around something. Or like I say, you could actually use it to hold little brackets on that not going to be anything dangerous. Like I say, you don't want to be using it to hold anything that's crucial to the bike and its safety. Well, let's try one more. So that goes over the pin, and put that about halfway through. Into there. Let's double check that. I'll say it's probably no use to anyone, but if you wanted to sort of do something a bit different cosmetically on some panels and stuff, might just make your bike look a bit different. When you do, if you want to do like a little practice piece first, just make sure when you do your first couple of hits it is swelling both sides. That will then lock it into the hole, and then it should go fairly even. If you want to keep an eye on it, each few taps you do, you can always pull it out of there. Look, I don't know if you can see that it's actually going even. So you sort of get the same on both sides. Keep checking it. You can proper feel it grip this. You know, it is quite strong. There we go, I've done 3 of them. If you've got a little bit of a burr on there, just do that and wind it out. You don't need to put that in the drill. It's only soft. Let's give that a wipe. Like I say, probably useless to some, but might give you a bit of add a bit of style to a panel or something. Or like I say, you could use it to hold brackets on that are doing nothing crucial to the safety of the bike. I wouldn't trust them for that, not to hold anything heavy, especially nothing to do with brakes or anything stupid like that. I'd just totally leave it like cosmetic, for anything cosmetic. You may find use of that, I don't know. I say it's just a little thing I thought I'd share. I've got loads of stupid ideas in my head. There we go. Anyway, I'll say it's just really simple. You could probably come up with other ways of doing it, but I just like 2 bits of stainless, hole, pin. Make sure your little bit's even, like in the middle of the plate before you go and whack it. Just do it bit by bit, take it off, check it. You could probably buy tools that do this sort of thing, but I don't know. I just like to do things myself, make all these little silly things myself. Keeps my mind occupied. But anyway, there you go guys. Cheers for watching. Back onto bikes tomorrow.